In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark emails as unread in Microsoft Outlook. This is a simple skill that can help you stay organized, especially when you want to come back to a message later or make sure it stands out in your inbox. I'll walk you through two quick methods so you can use whichever feels more natural in your daily workflow. First, let's use the fastest approach. Find the email you want to revisit in your inbox. Move your cursor over that message and open the context menu by right-clicking. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled Mark as Unread and select it. As soon as you do, Outlook will change the visual status of that message. Depending on your layout, you'll usually see the subject line turn bold or a small unread indicator appear next to it. That visual cue is your confirmation that the message is now flagged as something you haven't read, even if you already opened it earlier. This method is great when you're quickly scanning your inbox and want to tag just one or two messages without interrupting your flow. Now,